What's up? It's your boy, INFRAGGO, the chef. And if you didn't know, I'm kind of interested in cooking things and stuffs, but it's not my. It's just a passion or a hobby, but I'm not gonna be a chef or a professional. But yeah, so past weeks, the last weeks, I saw this on YouTube, the original pasta, original carbonara, spaghetti carbonara. I forgot who is the chef because it's so hard. The name is so hard to pronounce or to remember. So I just put in the description below. So I'm nervous actually. A lot of pepper. We need a lot of pepper, brown pepper, a cheese. We don't have that pecorino cheese, but my auntie said I can use a mozzarella because it's just mozzarella again. I don't know. Just gonna follow the steps. So first we need a bowl. So I don't just I look at the step by step in his description. So I take it on my mind. So I don't have any notes to look up. But yeah, so one egg for one person, 100 grams of pasta. So yeah, let's break. Oh, I'm gonna clean this for a sec. Is it done? No, it's clean. I mean, I'm the one who washing the. I'm the one who's washing the whole dish, plates, whatever you call it. I think it's too big, or I'm overthinking. No. So one egg. Okay. One egg down, one person. Second egg.
Can I use it? It's like more yellowish than the yolk. I don't know. Egg is, stinks, so I'm gonna whisk it. I'm not fully prepared, so yeah, just whisk the egg. Just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Don't be negative. Don't overthink. I'm not actually pro at this whisking stuff, so I think I'm gonna look up to YouTube. Wait a minute, I'm gonna pause the video. I have to cut this, but later. The pasta is not also ready, so
I'm not a good cameraman, so let's put the cheese. Okay, this is the moment. This is the 1 million shot, $1 million shot. So I'll put this a lot of cheese without hesitating or thinking. So mix it, yeah, mix it. I think then a lot of pepper. I'm adding the broth carefully.
That ano yan, consistently mo yan ihahalo.
Okay, so I think that's enough. Whisk it. Whisk. So it looks like a Quaker Oats. Damn it. Damn, it looks good. Okay, so flash. Yeah, let me take a flash.
Nasa po nga si Mami, may pang isang taon siya dun na, may pang isang taon siya dun sinastak ng henna.
Look at that. Look at that. White thing.
Bilhan lang siya na henna.
That's the cream.
Binilihan ng halos.
This is the cream. Okay. So 4 eggs. 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna show. So here's my meat. My meat is bacon. So that bacon or chicken. I don't know what part of the pig is it. It's just the meat. So okay, I'm gonna pause the video for a sec. So what's up guys, I'm back in the mid. I didn't show where I fried the meat and the pasta, but it's the final step, the final phase. So I'm putting the $1 million shot. And wait a minute, the chef said we're gonna change the heat into the low, but this part of the stove don't have the low heat. Oh. So there we go, we're gonna change. There we're gonna put the hey cameraman. Snap it. Closer. Look at that creamy but grayish cream. So here we go. Oh, so we don't want to waste a thing here, but it's too heavy. So let's mix it faster route. Damn, it looks fine, but the taste. Nice may video. Iyak ka na din ah.
Iyak na ako kasi naantok ka.
Pepper. Bro. Pepper. Durog. We need pepper. Right. So, here we are. Durog. Nandyan yung kulay red na takip. So we don't want to make scrambled egg, so we just put it in the lowest heat. A little bit of pepper, ground pepper. I think it's okay.
Yeah. Just hold it for a little bit.
Yeah, just just mix it a little bit. Then wait.
Parang okay ka lang. Then before you finish it, you should taste it first. So the taste if it is under-seasoned or
if it's
just taste it already. Just a pinch of pasta.
masarap.
Ha?
Hindi masarap.
Awit sa'yo.
Yung cheese, hindi masarap.
Ano bang cheese yan?
Parmesan.
Sakto lang yun.
Sige.
Okay naman.
Ito ha? Pinitin pa na natin. Hindi mainit.